What are the top 3 questions that you should ask yourself if you're going to make an investment? You see, most people don't know that. So the first question you need to know is, why are you making this investment? Are you making it for income, or are you making it for capital growth? You know, if you're a pensioner and you need income, then you need to invest in investments that are going to give you income. If it's part of your growth strategy and you want capital growth, then that's a whole different strategy, and it all comes back to your plan. You see, most people think, should I invest in this property, or should I buy Bitcoin, or should I buy this share? They get it completely wrong, because they should always start with their plan, and then the asset fits their plan. Which brings them on to the second question, which is, what is the IRR, the internal rate of return? Now, the IRR is a metric where there are 27 variables. Takes into account time value of money, takes into account capital growth, income, inflation, 27 different variables. And it's the single most important metric when it comes to investing, to know the difference and to be able to compare apples with oranges, gold with the stock market, property with private equity. So you have to know and be able to compare the IRR. Now, if you want to know more about the investor language, you can literally, I'm going to tell you at the end how you can get a copy of the cheat sheet, and I'll tell you how to get the investor language. The third question that you need to know is simply the risk. Sometimes you got a high return, but you got a lot of risk as well. And so it's called risk-adjusted return, where you want to get deals with good growth, good opportunity, high IRR, and ideally as low a risk as possible. Now, you take those 3 questions. Why are you investing? What is the reason for investing? And that should be based on the substance of your plan. The second one is the IRR, to compare different investments. And the third is, it comes down to the risk. If you'd like to know more about this, I've literally created a document, and all you got to do is comment below the 3 questions. If you comment below 3 questions, I will send you the document, which will take you through a detailed structure. Think of it like an investment framework. Whenever you're thinking of investing in something, you should follow this framework to be able to make the right decisions for you and your family. Now, I hope you enjoy it. We're literally sitting here at the Knysna Heads. I decided to make my Wealth Insight here out on the water. I hope it's not too windy today, but I just thought it was such a beautiful day. Why not share the wealth and the wealth insights for this week from the boat? I hope you have an incredible week. Like the channel, follow me, share it with your friends. We're here to empower 1 billion people and help everyone invest like the top 1%. But it starts with asking the right questions. Hopefully the next time you invest, you've got the top 3 questions that you need to know before you invest. See you next week. Cheers.